Give me a minute, let me explain myself, and then I'll jump into the title and why you clicked here. When I first started programming, I had no clue what I was doing. I didn't even know how to do for loops, so I would just copy paste the same line whatever amount of times I needed it to run. But I'm not really the type to sit down and learn. I kind of just need to make an app and learn what I need as I go. So I decided to make something that I love to make, which is games. They're really fun, I've always enjoyed them, and I've always wanted to make one. All I knew was JavaScript, and at the time I didn't know much, so I actually made a game with jQuery and JavaScript called Rock, Paper, Scissors. Most of you are familiar with it. It was a really simple game. Two players go head to head, playing with the rock, paper, scissors. You have a little animation of the hands moving around and it looked all cool. If you wanted to play against a bot, you could do that. But there were a couple problems with the game. One, it didn't really run well on mobile. Two, it was kind of annoying to play with a friend. You gotta look at the screen, you gotta choose your hand, you gotta aim it at your friend, and then you gotta look away. It's not fun. So I decided, now that I have more knowledge, I have a bit more time, I'm gonna double down and make this into a real mobile app. But I didn't want to stop there. I wanted to do something even more than that. So I chose to add the multiplayer option. I wanted to make it an online game, so most of you guys who don't live near each other can play with your friends, or just play with a random player. Who knows, if this works, it might even add a tournament mode and prizes at the end. But from there, I still wanted more of a challenge. I knew multiplayer would be really hard already, but I wanted to do something crazy, something that would blow the minds of most of my viewers who do have experience. The way I'm going to do that, this is in theory, I'm going to take my React Native app and turn it into two mobile apps, right? You get your iOS version and your Java version for Android. Then, from there, I'm going to use React Native for web, which will take my React Native code and turn it into React for web, and then I'll have a web app. And once I have a web app, I can move that into Electron and then move it into three different versions: a Windows, a Linux, and a Mac, making a total of 6 games, but only writing the code for one. And since the server is independent of the client, I could do something pretty revolutionary where I can make everything cross-platform. So you could be on Windows playing against Mac, you could be on Mac playing against iPhone, you can be playing against iPhone to Android, it doesn't matter because the server is independent of the actual client app. Now I'm not entirely sure that this is actually going to work, so if you want to see me fail or possibly succeed, you can jump in my streams. I'll leave the link below. I stream every single day, one day on Twitch, one day on YouTube. If any of my videos, streams, anything has given you value, please do your best to subscribe to my channel and help me get to that 1,000 mark so I can monetize. That's it for today. I don't know if this is going to work, but I'm taking a chance. Worst case, it'll be pretty funny to see me fail at something that I thought would work. From now on, I'm posting a video every other day, so see you guys on Sunday.